Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Take Easy. It's me Abdullah Sham, and in this video we are going to see a website where you can improve your typing speed and you can learn typing while playing video game, while playing car games or boat racing game and enjoying it. So without wasting time guys, let's start our video. So I'm gonna tell you about a website where you can check your typing speed or you can improve your typing speed, and it is very useful for you guys as it is you can learn typing while playing games on this website. So we will find a website here. Just go to Google and search there TypeRush. As you will search it, press the enter button and you will find a website here named as TypeRush. You can see the website. Just click the website and yeah, website has been opened. So when the first time you open the website, you have to log in to your account or you have to create your account. You can create your account manually, but you will find a link in the description box which is a referral link, and if you create the account using my link, you will get 5,000 coins which will be later used to buy boats or races. Let me show you in the garage. When you go to the garage section, you can see under the garage you can click on buy boats, and then you can buy a lot of boats having different designs. You can see these are the boats you can buy. If you follow my link and sign up using my link, you will get 5,000 rupees which you can use to buy boats and cars later on. So you can see this is my current currency, or this is my current bank balance, and my XP level is 9. So let me show you how you will do it. So first of all, make sure you log into your account or sign up your account. When you will sign up, you will see this interface loading up to you. There are two types of games here. One is for the let me decrease the volume bit. It will start automatically. Let me go back and refresh it. Yeah, so this website has two types of games. One is car racing game and the other one is the boat racing game. Like you can see, as I hover the play button, you can see the play button here highlighted area. As I hover the play button, you will see two type of games like street race and boat race. These are the two main racing games in this. So let's check it guys. So first of all, we will click on boat race, and you can see that the website is loading, and in this mini section we will play our game. Let me increase the size a bit so of the website. Yeah, as you will click on play, it will start your game. Now let's play the game. You can, like this, you can type and you So yeah, this is how you can type. And in this section, this mini section, you find here, I am highlighting it, you will find your words per minute, your speed. It means that how many words you are typing per minute. You will find the speed meter also here. You can see that this is pointing towards the 3, which is, it means it is 30, and this is the time remaining left. In this section you will find the time remaining left. So you will find your boat here. As you will type, your boat will move towards the end point, and then you will win the race. As you type, you will win the race. So you can play this game while enjoying the music and while looking at the boats, and you can learn typing really while enjoying it. You can learn typing by enjoying it. So if we play other typing games, yeah, it is really necessary to play typing games to learn typing. But after when you have learned the typing, then the next step is to practice it daily by daily to increase your typing speed. Then this website is the best. I have checked many other websites. They don't have such graphics like this website, such beautiful graphics and these boats and different types of boats. They don't have it. They don't have this facility. So I have found this website the best website to play to increase your typing speed or check your typing speed. The website are not much good like this one. So let's check the street race also. So I've clicked on it. You can see here I have a street race has been opened. I don't like it much because there is a noisy sound in the background when we play the game, and if I accidentally press any other key or I press the wrong key, then it shows it plays the sound of a brake. Let me show you. As I click on start race, you can see the race has been start. Now you see I will type wrong words. You can see it will, you can see very noisy sound in the background, so I don't like it. I don't like it much. You can buy your boats from here. You can buy the cars from here. In the garage section you will find it, and you will find the referral link in the description box. You can log into your account using that link. You can see, let me show you in the garage section. I have this car right now. You can change let me show you something more. Yeah, you will go to the buy cars, and then you will see a lot of cars here. You can buy these cars depending upon your XP level. Right now my XP level is 9. Depending upon the you can see that I cannot buy the car of the XP level 10. You will see a lot of cars here. At the end there are many beautiful cars. You are going to unlock them one by one, so you can improve your typing speed here while enjoying the game. Let me show you something more. If you want to change the color of your car or you want to change the wheels of your car, you can also do it, guys. You can customize your car and then take it to the race. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it has been opened. You can see, you will find here the best thing I like about this game is that it shows you the tricky keys, mean the keys on which you are not typing rightly or which your hands are slipping. And the next option we have is the paint car. It is used to paint your car, and the change wheels. Then the other option you can see them. Let me go to the play. There is a problem with my keyboard. It's getting stuck again and again. Yeah, here by clicking on this button below here, you can change the color of your car, paint my car, and here you can change the color wheels of your car. Just click on it and you can customize your wheels. You can see, select your wheels you like the most. I like the simple design, and then I will click on select. Now you can see your wheels have been selected automatically. Yeah, so I hope, guys, you have seen this website. This was a very useful website for you, and you can go to this website, check your typing speed here, or improve your typing speed while enjoying the games. You can also tell this about this website to your other friends. So now let's end our video, guys. So see you guys in the